Why do some Filipinas cheat, lie, and scam men? What are some things a man should look out for to ensure she is a good Filipina and is marriage material? Do you think it's a good thing that I would say Filipinas are becoming independent? Have you ever done any of that to a man before? Like cheat or lie at least or scam? Why do some Filipinas cheat, lie, and scam men?
I think it depends on the woman's opinion because like in today's generation, I think good guys aren't really like the standard of like the Filipinas. And they think that like those red flags are the ones that brings more enjoyable things to them. But I think the standard should be a good man. But I think Filipinas nowadays doesn't really look for that. They would rather go with a hot looking guy and like that rich guy. And I think both of the parties will cheat as well, but it depends. Because like I have noticed that a lot of Filipinas, as well as you have said, will cheat on their man even if they're ugly or not, and they think that it's a flex that they can, boast about cheating, and they think that it's a good thing. They can, make themselves look better by cheating and like flexing on it on social medias. I think that women cheat on men for entertainment as well and for like to boost themselves, thinking that they're higher than them. That's all.
How about why some of them scam men?
I think I think that like they scam the no some man because they don't really love them. I think they would let the man fall in love with them first, then like get their like love and like like their peace of mind. Then as they get along with each other and as the time progresses, they'll get to the plan that they will just scam the person or like the man without having remorse, because the only thing that's on their mind at there's that on their mind at that moment, sorry about that, will be to get the money, to get like all of those material things, to get the phone, anything that they want. They don't really it doesn't really matter if the man love the woman, because I think women scamming right now are just um a normal thing for like a lot of beautiful girls. And I think it's a bad thing as well as goes for a man scamming a woman as well, because it's not a flex that you should scam other people's feelings just because you could validate your own feelings, like thinking that you're the victim even though you're not, like thinking that it's a flex to like invalidate or like scam people, thinking that's a good thing. I think we should understand that like scamming people is a bad thing as well. And yeah.
It's a bad thing. It's always a bad thing. Never been good. Have you ever done any of that to a man before?
Well, to be honest, I did like ghost some guys, but I would never scam people. Like, no, that's not a very nice thing to do. But I did ghost some like man. If they're not my type, then I would ghost them. I'm not really looking for like the appearance, because my type are feminine man. And I will ghost them because sometimes like they will have this kind of like I know like personality where they think that they're really worth the standard but they're not. So that's why I will ghost them. And yeah, that's the only bad thing I ever did. Ghost them. Yeah. I'm
Okay.
sorry about
Never scam
I
anyone.
have never
Never lied to anyone.
like no, because why would I lie? I've never had a boyfriend before. That's why I have, never lied about my relationship status.
Okay. No boyfriend since birth.
Yes.
And how old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
20 years old. You're in college now, right?
Yeah, in studying in Ateneo de Naga University.
What course?
Nursing.
Oh, nursing. Okay, so we have some subscribers, viewers. They're kind of what do you call this? Like NBSB, no boyfriend since birth. What is that? Just no boyfriend since birth, or you're also like a woman or a Filipino that never been kissed, never been touched, or just no boyfriend since birth?
I have never had a boyfriend before. I have never had my kiss. I have no first kiss. Like the only thing I ever done with a guy will be hug, handshake, and a kiss on the cheeks. That is all.
Wow. Okay. But there are some Filipinas out there that no boyfriend since birth, but they had kiss already, right?
Yeah, I think so because like I don't really know their like current situation. That's why. But if they don't have really a boyfriend since birth, and yeah, I think they don't have one.
Okay. I have to ask you that because there are really some people who are very curious about that. Like I don't know if they're confused or they just want to make sure. Like, what do you mean by no boyfriend since birth? Never been touched, never been kissed. They're just curious. So that's why I ask you that questions. But anyway, okay, what are some things a man should look out for to ensure she is a good Filipina and is marriage material?
Um, First of all, the girl has to have dreams. The girl has to like put her study first because or her family first, second, herself, and to be like a good person. Like for example, know how to love animals for fellow Filipinos as well. Doesn't discriminate anyone based on their looks. I think that like a green flag person or a girl should have that like open-minded opinion yung that doesn't really isn't really immature enough to like only think of themselves to also put to also put their current self in the shoes of other people and wouldn't be always using the victim on a card because I think every one of us is a victim of our own situation. That's why a girl should be understanding, kind, put her studies first because it's not a flex if you only knew how to do stupid things if you're not studying well enough. I think it's good that like you're putting your studies first because study or like your education wouldn't be stolen by anyone. I think it's a treasure for anyone. And a married material, I think a person that wouldn't flex about cheating and wouldn't, scam people as you have said on your question earlier. And I think a person that knows how to manage herself, like pay a lot of pay her stuff or like earn her own things. Like she want to do her own things as well, like an independent woman.
Independent woman, like Western women, independent.
I mean, I think anyone can be independent.
Okay. Are you an independent woman?
Yeah, yeah.
How can you say so?
Well, because I like do laundry. I do laundry of my own. I cook for myself. I clean my house. It doesn't really matter if like you don't do that. And an independent woman doesn't really rely on anyone. And the person that could look for herself or himself by like doing stuff that wouldn't really matter and other people's opinion doesn't matter to him. Yeah.
Okay. You know, a lot of I would say Western women coming to the Philippines because they're looking for traditional women. They're not looking for someone who is very independent like Western women. That's why they come here. Yes. Do you think it's a good thing that I would say Filipinos are becoming independent?
Yes, I think that's a good thing. But for like for me lang, I think different people have their own different opinions. They want to be a stay-at-home mom, they want to be like single, or they want to like have someone that they can rely on, or they just want to be at home. I think it depends. But a Filipino woman being independent is a good thing because like it shows that she can be anyone that she want to be. She could be a congresswoman, a president, like a doctor, a nurse, and a firefighter. I think it's a good thing because like anyone can be independent. Anyone can do things on their own, like carry their own stuff. Like what a man can do could be done by a woman as well.
Why do some Filipinas cheat, lie, and scam men?
I think some Filipinas cheat, lie, or scam for their own benefit or good. I think they cheat because if someone or a girl um is not that in love to a guy or into that guy, I think they choose to cheat because they want to find love that is true to themselves, and I think they lie because they don't want to be seen as a fool. Then a Filipina scam a man for a financial gain or acquired. They want to have a money like that. That's why they scam some men po.
You said earlier about they lie because they don't want to look like they're full. What do you mean by that?
I think po some women or Filipina choose to lie in order for them to not be trusted by the man, or if they don't want to be misunderstood po, they choose na lang to lie, which is bad naman po talaga.
Which is bad.
Yes.
Okay. So, they don't want to be misunderstood. That's why they lie.
But
Okay.
as a woman lie, I think it is not good po talaga.
It is not good. Have you ever done any of that to a man before? Like cheat or lie at least or scam?
To be honest po, no po, because um I have at this age po, I have only one boyfriend pa lang po since birth. So, I think di pa naman po ako sa kanya nag-cheat, lie,
She
and
never lied,
yes.
cheat, and
I
scam him.
always, I'm always truthful to him po because I don't want him to be hurt. Like,
But do you believe there are a lot of Filipinas out there scamming people, scamming men, lying to men, and cheating to men?
I think po, yes. Because in social media, I have seen a lot of men being fooled by women. Be- because women are not the same. All women are not the same po. We 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 are different from each other po, and it depends na lang sa girl if
It really depends to the woman, to the girl. What are some things a man should look out for to ensure she is a good Filipina and is marriage material?
I think po a man should found or find a woman that is respectful, has a um housewife material, like she can cook, she can um she can ensure that you are always like you're always
Been taken care of?
been taken care of. That's it po. And she must be um lovely, like lovely and truthful po.
Lovely and truthful. How can you tell if she is truthful?
I can tell that a woman is truthful po if you've questioned her about something that you are overthinking of, and she is not hesitant to to answer that question, and she and I think po it is nakikita naman po yan, or
You can feel it, you can
yes,
see it.
feel and see it in her eyes if she is lying or not.
Why do some Filipinas cheat, lie, and scam men?
Okay. I think Filipinas do lie, cheat, and
Scam.
scam men is because of they are looking for a sexual desire, as well as they are looking for a man that can provide something to I mean to
To provide for themselves like that.
yes, to provide themselves to spoil themselves.
Okay.
for material things.
Oh, like they're kind of looking for like a sugar daddy, like that.
Yes, that's correct.
Have you ever done any of that to a man before?
Oh no. Just to be honest, I don't want to be associated with those women who cheated for the men.
Do you have a boyfriend now?
Oh no.
Oh, why you don't have a boyfriend?
Because of the trauma that I experienced in the past years.
But you had boyfriend before, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay. How old are you?
23.
23 years old. Okay. College graduate, right?
Yes, correct.
Wow. So that means you have a job now.
Yes, I am on the contracts.
Oh, call center. That's amazing. That's why your English is good.
Oh,
That explains why. You're welcome. Okay. What are some things a man should look out for to ensure she is a good Filipina and is marriage material?
Oh, for me, a man should look for a girl or for a woman that is family oriented, um, a religious person, as well as do not see on the outside. I mean, on the outside thing of a girl, just like the personal thing. She must look out for the inside that the girl like for example a behavior and the values that a girl should have.
Oh, so men shouldn't look for the outside, like physically.
Physical look.
Okay, the physical look. They should look what's inside.
Side of a girl.
Okay, that's beautiful. Beautiful with the heart.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, well, anyway, thank you so much for having this interview. We really appreciate your time. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflections